Hang on, if I tried this, because it's black.
Yeah, cats.
That's not really... Oh, actually, yeah, cool.
That's kind of like skating. Try that hat. I reckon that's more emo.
We can try both.
An emo smurf.
Get the fat camera out of my fucking face, dude.
There you are, Alex. So it's Sunday evening now. We've had a bit of a change of plan.
Yeah.
We were going to be staying here until Monday, but now we're having to go back tonight, stay overnight in Mostar, and then hopefully getting the bus to a place called Waterfalls.
Yeah, and as a special teaser, you can see where we're going. There.
Yeah, there I go. I'll try and get in.
There you go.
So we are currently at Waterfalls. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening now. We've been here about 3 hours. The original plan was from here find a place somewhere like in the woods around to put our tent up. We're in a place that is currently our campsite, but we don't actually know if we're allowed to camp, so we don't know if we want to set up here and risk being told we have to leave or just walking on further, finding somewhere that's not as nice and not as close to the waterfall, but we can just stay there all night. The waterfalls though are absolutely amazing, but they're really cold swimming. I would not do it. I really wouldn't do it, Django. So we walked up the back of the falls now. We're looking for somewhere to camp, but it doesn't look like there's going to be anywhere. But we have a very nice view of sunset. It's about 9 o'clock at night now. We've just set up camp right by the river. Not that it comes out in this darkness. Now we're going to finish up here and go drink by the waterfall.
years, yeah. I mean, minus the boarded off thing.
Good morning. It is a new day. It's about 7 AM. I am the only person here. Today we're going to move on. We're going to go back into Croatia again. We're going to go down to Split and meet our friend. It's going to be good.